Hello guys, it's your favorite YouTuber, How to Everyday. Today I'm giving away $5 of PayPal money in order to be eligible and stand a chance of winning this cute prize. You'll have to comment a kind comment followed by your PayPal email. The winning comment will get pinned and announced on a separate video. Once the transaction is complete, I wish you the best. And this is a start of something I have planned for this channel. That's because I want to do tutorials, giveaways, and make challenges that include fun games with you guys. If you'd like to embark on this journey with me, please click on the like and subscribe button for more How to Everyday content. I appreciate you all, and I wish you the best for today's challenge. Until next time.